Hi, this is TJ with Mountain Cabinet Supply and just wrapped up a session with Maloney with Kitchen365. We are absolutely thrilled with them. They've been able to put together our site in record time. They turned it out really quick, meeting all of our expectations and all of the things we needed changed, corrected, modified. They have been on all of it and have been very, very responsive on it. I cannot recommend them enough. I appreciate all the help and look forward to a long relationship with Kitchen365.